Then page. I will not use this. Okay. Else page. So here in our content page, I'll use my codings. Content page resources. Okay, so one of our resources, we have color. I like blue, white, and then green background. Gray. Dapat yung master na naman yung background. Okay, so ang ito yung dark because output is darker ang background than so here, about the grid. And the grid can be divided. We need to define line. Okay, so we should define, if we want to divide the grid, we have to define the rows and we compare to HTML, kung saan man siya grid. Then we will declare how many rows? Grid and row definition. Duha sa naman siya yung that's divided into. Okay, ito yung ano, yung run. Okay, diba ni, pamina mo, inaan sa exam. Ito mo grade. Coding mo grade. Green. Green. Green ako yung butahan. Kung sa may metabuan eh. Background asa mas bawo sa boss. Kanan. Sige mga tagad. Sige babaw.
Palito yun.
Sa boss. Kanan.
Babaw.
Ano babaw mo guys? Suot na sa grade, di ba? Suot na sa grade, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Ano ang tanong babaw? Red color. So may tabo guys.
Boss, sir.
Everyone. Boss.
Sure mo? Upload na mong day ha? Joke lang. Okay, so babaw. One. One. Ano rin? Yes, na. Easy rin ano? Asterisk. Hindi yan, 30%. Gets? Ang meaning ng point asterisk is 30%. Then the other one, ilan man? 0.7 asterisk. So that it will be like this. So pareha na siya o? Pareha na siya, ano?
Yes.
2030. So easy guys. Background color should be static resource. Section area. Section color. Gray one. Then, grid, left to the margin, para di siya masikip sa itik. So now, magkano radius? Magkano radius sa border? Actually, corner radius is not applicable in border. Ang button na is at the border that stroke shape and we will add a circular triangle around rectangle para ano siya round rectangle I think tangan pa rin siya value round rectangle property wala may radius. We won't go with that. Diba? Ow! Border stroke shape na siya kay frame ang road na lang yung border radius na and the rest will be copy and paste. Okay, we have a finish. Padding daw, padding. Border padding. Inside the border, we created a grid. Wala explain later. So this is a border. We have another grid. So this is a border. Frame. Ano siya? So as you can see here, we have two rows. The row 0 and the row 1. So this should be 90% and 10%. Ano siya last? We have here 10% and then 19%. And the width is, not the width, the columns. Columns is ano siya? Column 0, column 1, and column 2. So kamay ang column 1, kasi mo, i-width niya o 1 pixel. Iyang 1 pixel kay kanilang linya yung importante. Paano na i-define na niya ang column, ang grid with the columns and the rows. So how many columns? Row. Okay, then rows. Then, what will happen if wala kayo i-declare na size? Kasi magtulog ang columns. Kasi may tabo guys. All columns have equal sizes. Kung wala kayo i-declare ng size na equal, bahin ito tayo. Anong gagawin? Here. Then, the first element is label, which is total pesos per person. Per person day, total per what is your total per person. Then we have the grid naday columns pa, no? So the label asa siya nga grid. I mean asa siya nga column. Kani asa siya nga column. Column 0. Asa na row? Row 0. Yapon. Puro 0, 0. Okay. Wala man tayo declare na row. Asa siya na row. Asa siya na. But we declare the column span, which is iyang occupy ang tulo ka. Ano siya gamit sa column span? Naman sa web, di ba? Column span. Pareha rin yung system. So, green, blue column span, then after this, blue. As you can see, mga na siya. Then the next one is the label total. So, center expand is already obsolete. So, use center na lang. Center lang. Then dollars, peso. Okay, peso, tulungin ito na. Font size 35. You can see, asa siya na row. Zero, column 0, row 1. As you can see there, row 1. Declare ang row 1. Pero ang column no need to declare, basta 0. That's why, column 0, row 1. Correct? Yes. Correct. Ito total. And next, money box space, supposedly mao ni siya ni linya. But sa ato di ba makita sa ilan sa nila na. Actually, pwede rin na butangan o image diha. So the theme for this application is astronomy. It is located in the row 1, column. Row 1, column 2. Ito, row 1, column 2. Then, horizontal, vertical, center. So all elements are centered. And one element per. Yan na easy guys. Change the peso to dollars. Actually, you don't need to follow the dollars. It's up to you. So, total. Okay, ito rin sa butan guys. Kung saan na ini display the labels of total and the actual subtotal. Okay, labels of total and the actual subtotal. Why do I put a name property? We will be interacting with it. Natungos po ng iyang value, so that's why putahan itong name. The name of the subtotal and also the date per person. Very good by per. Mara na, simple dyan guys. So it's a grade. Sa usa ka cell, row 1, column 2, sa usa ka cell, pwede tayong mga butang another rito. So, ibutahan ito, vertical, stack line. So, we can add elements per line, kung ano na siya ang labas. Okay, so proceed to the next. So, after the border, ano na yung border? After here we have another grid. With 4 rows with 2 columns. Grid with 8. After the border, we add another grid. Why siya grid? This grid is located in the row 1. Row 1, which is how many percent? 70. Then we we define this grid into how many rows? 4 equal rows and then 2 columns. 2 columns is 30. What is 30? Then we have the 70. Only na sa ito. All over the 370. So, first element, label, interior wheel. Interior wheel. Asa mo na siya na-locate? Asa nga row, asa nga column. Row 0, column 0. That's why when I declaration, then interior wheel will be assigned. That's why nasa din ako ta. Then, saan ba nga na element? Entry. So, the entry is located in row 0, column 1. So, that's why row 0, column 1. Column 1 ra declare. So, that's 0. Then, this one is, event under. Ako sa likang tangan na. Event under ba? Ang functionality. Later na tawag pa na ng functionality. Then, as you can see there that the keyboard is numeric. I-click mo lang yung screen. Yung keyboard is numbers. Then, text then the row. Only a 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. As you can see, choose your tip is column 0, then row. Next is horizontal stack layout. Ano siya yung horizontal stack layout? How many elements in the stack layout? 3 buttons, 3 elements. What are they guys? Salitang tao ng event handlers. Kaya ito na yung button later on. So as you can see there that the button next 100%, 15, and then you add spacing to the elements. Para di kayo sa second, 10 pixels. Any questions? Tara? Padayon ta? After the horizontal stack layout, we have another label for the tape percentage. So we added a name for this one because usap ni siya once you move the slider. And also, when you click the pre-defined na mga buttons which declare 10, 50, and 30%.
So, most of the slider.
Most of the slider. I-click mo 20, most of ang array, most of the slider. So actually, connected is sila tulong. Then, slider itself, then we added a name, and ibinanda ako sa tatangon. So, minimum of 0 and then 50. So, photo ba siya 50% ang
Slider.
slider. So, pinake ang tape is photo ba siya 50%. Dahil kayo mo tape with 100%, so may matik. Ito na sa sides sa pagpapalitan. Then, another label, with the total, row 0, column 0, row 3, and we have, then kani guys, horizontal sa layout na siya, same sa kaning mas baba. Horizontal sa layout with the buttons and label. So again, kaning minus plus, kaning siya is, it should be editable, no? Editable ang dapat ni kay hindi nila ka mag-example na po So what will you do man? Instead of label, you will use ano yun? Stepper? Then, kapantay mo wala siyang nisikit, no? You can use negative value para niya malapas. Mura siya sumpay, no? Delete it. Natin ka. Then, the last is, what is the last? Button, label. Instead of label, we will use pero we can grab it. Keyboard na may numeric at keyboard. First of all, 30 ka mo, ma-input na ako no. Kaysa sige ko, 30 ka mo, okay kita makuman. Pista man.